At least 23 civilians have lost their lives when Saudi fighter jets carried out an airstrike in Yemen's southwestern province of Taiz as the Riyadh continues with its atrocious aerial bombardment campaign against its impoverished southern neighbor. Local sources told Arabic language al-Masirah television network that the aerial attack had targeted a vehicle as it was traveling along a road in the province's Mawza district on Wednesday afternoon. The sources added that the victims were returning from al-Barh market in the neighboring Maqbanah district. There were reportedly several women and children among those killed in the airstrike.